dinosaurs to do handstand.
You're teaching your dinosaurs how to handstand. Would you like some help?
Yes.
Yes? All right, here, give me your handstand number 1. And handstand number 2, brilliant. So this is how to handstand the little gym way. Right, my little dinos. Can you stand here? And can you stand here? Perfect. Now, before we start, dinosaurs, I need to see your claws. Well, they're pretty sharp. And I need to see your teeth. And I need to hear you roar. I think we're ready. Okay, so the first thing that we need to work on when we're teaching handstands is we need to be able to make sure that we can push through our hands. So, first thing first, dinosaurs, can you squeeze your feet together like me? That's it. And can you put your arms up to the sky and make them really, really strong? I want you to pretend that you're in a cave and you have to hold up the ceiling. Can you show me? But, oh my goodness me, I'm coming to check. Look at these strong arms. I am so impressed. Can you shake it out? Can you shake it out and relax? Okay, you ready for your next challenge? Watch Teacher Courtney. Really, really tall. And then look, I'm going to jump on my hands and keep them really straight. Did I land on my head?
No.
No. Did I bend my arms?
No.
No. So can you try it? Keeping your arms really straight. Georgia, you go first. Ready? Oh my goodness me. I just love how you landed on your feet. Give me 5. Okay, let's see. Ready, Kai? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Kai. And you landed on your feet too. Stand up and give me 5, buddy. Awesome work. Okay, now we have a really cute song at the little gym to help children learn their handstands. Can you get your watching eyes on me? Because it's my turn first. Are you ready? I'm a big dinosaur, strong and neat. I balance on my hands and I land on my feet. Do you want to watch one more time? I'm a big dinosaur, strong and neat. I balance on my hands and I land on my feet. You guys have got to do it next. Do you think you can? You ready? So you're going to stand this way. Amazing. And Kai, you're going to stand this way. Are you guys ready? 1, 2. I'm a big dinosaur, strong and neat. I balance on my hands. Go for it, Kai. And I land on my feet. Give yourself a clap. That was so awesome. Can you do that one more time for me? Ready? Can you keep practicing? Can you keep practicing? Go on, Kai, show me. Okay, so when you see your little one balancing on their hands, what I see is them developing the strength and the coordination that they need to be able to hand right. All of the muscles from the shoulder to the wrist are all being strengthened, which is vital for when your child gets ready for school. Should we do it one more time? You ready? Arms up really tall, Kai. 1, 2, 3, go. Handstand. Go on, Kai, big kick. Yay! Give yourself a clap. Okay, now the next level of learning how to handstand, it's actually a little bit sad. Do you know why? Because when I did my handstand, I really, really hurt my foot. So now my handstand looks a little bit different, Kai. It looks like this, ready? I'm a big dinosaur, strong and neat. I balance on my hands and I land on my feet. Did you see that, Kai? Yes, exactly like that. So can you all face this way? That's it. Stand up tall for me. And you, Kai. I love that you remembered to put your arms in the sky. And you, can you balance on one foot? And can you do a couple of hops, hops, hops? Yeah, that's it. Go. Good job. And stand up again. Ready? And one more time. Ready? Hop, hop, hop. Go. That's it. Go on, Kai. Oh, you guys are amazing. Give me 5. Do you know, I love that you stand up tall every single time. Good job, Kai. Now, we just did some very little dinosaur handstands. Who wants to make them into big dinosaur handstands? Me. You do? Okay, I've got something here to help us. Excellent. And for Georgia. Okay, can you stand in that red hoop for me? And can you stand in that red hoop for me? That's it. Now, put your arms up to the sky. Show me your strong arms that keep up the cave. Oh, looking very strong over here. So now we're going to use the hoops to really exaggerate the leg separation and really help these guys visualize how far they need to reach their hands when they do the handstand. So can you put one foot in that hoop? Look at that big dinosaur print you've just left. And Kai, can you put one foot in that hoop? Can you do it? Yes, look at that huge dinosaur footprint you've just left. Look how strong your arms are. So now we're going to put it all together. you're going to see if you can do a big reach and splash your hands down in that hoop and splash your hands down in that hoop. Should we give it a go? 1, 2, 3, let's see it. Go on, Kai, big kick. You can do it, yay, good job. And stand up really tall, remember? Stand up really tall. Kai, I just love that you had those lovely straight legs, and I love that you landed on your feet. Let's try one more time and see if you can land back in your hoops. Are you ready, Kai? Are you ready, Georgia? 1, 2, 3. Go on, Kai, big kick that leg up. Yay, let's give these guys a clap. So guys, that is how we build our handstands at the Little Gym. Now, they might not look like much, but this is exactly how we start. Give yourselves a clap, you guys. Boom. Okay, so now that we've done a lot of work focusing on the upper body strength and the weight bearing through the arms and the shoulders, it's time to focus on what the legs are doing. I'm going to show you different exercises that really promote a big kick, which is exactly what we need to get our feet up into the handstand position. Okay, Kai, are you ready? Okay, watch me, stand up here. Good job, buddy. So what we're going to do is you're going to put one foot in each of those puddles. Can you show me? 1 foot forward, that's it. And show me how your arms hold up the cave. So it's really important that we start the children in this position every single time so that they get into good practice. Ready, Kai? You're going to do a big kick into handstand. 1, 2, 3, kick, and do another one for me. Kick, that's it. 1, 2, 3, kick. And here we can really start to promote the legs kicking nice and high. Good job, buddy. High five. Okay, Georgia, are you ready for your challenge? Let's go. Okay, so check this out. We're going to really try and get these legs shooting up to the sky, and my feet are going to give each other a big high five. Watch this. Hands down and oh, 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 oh. That's pretty tough. Do you think you can do that? Okay, ready? So have your legs in a star. In a star, that's it. Nice, lovely, strong arms and shoulders. And we're going to see if we can kick our feet up. Yes, that's it. And one more time. Open your legs in a big star. 1, 2, 3, kick. Awesome, high five. Okay, are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready? Okay, this is quite a silly one. Don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me, because my feet, they want to get to know each other a little bit better. So now, look what happens when I do this. Check it out. What? Did you see that? My feet gave each other a kiss. Watch this. Oh my goodness me, I don't believe it. Who thinks that they can come and make their feet kiss? Do you want to try first, Georgia? Okay, remember, 1 foot forward. Good job. Arms up by your ears, bend the front knee. It's a nice strong lunge position. 1, 2, 3, and kiss. Oh my goodness me, and 1 foot down, arms up by your ears. Give yourself a clap, Georgia, that was super. Kai, do you want to come and try to give your feet a kiss? Okay, 1 foot forward, arms holding up the cave. So strong. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And feet together, kiss. And 1 leg down. Oh my goodness me, Kai. Give yourself a clap, buddy. That was awesome. So those are the ways that we really promote the legs separating and getting the momentum to kick up into a full handstand.